Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to withdraw from Vantage to Binance. Once you get over to Vantage, you're going to go over to the top and click on Funds. Now under Funds you have some options. Of course you want to click on Withdraw. Now in the withdrawal page you're going to select the account and then put in the amount that you want to withdraw to Binance. At this point we don't have any funds in our Vantage wallet. However, for you to proceed you just need to put the amount and then click on Continue. As you can see here, we're currently on the request withdraw where we'll be putting some information right here. And then once you click on continue, assuming you have some funds, you will be selecting the withdrawal method. Now you're going to look for Binance among the options. Then you need to make sure that you're ready to connect your Binance Pay or have your Binance Pay details, or you could use your USDT in Binance and provide the crypto wallet address. You will be able to successfully transfer or withdraw funds from Vantage to Binance.